Hooting and cheering, I only wish was for me, but that's not true. I'm here with the million star Arya, and that's exactly what's going on. People want to get a glimpse of him on and off the field as well. How has the day been for you so far?
It's been good. I mean, it's good cricket all around, and they played really well and put a decent score, 155 something. So I think it's pretty good.
Very modest to say decent, but you guys have been stars of today on field. So, do you think there's going to be any room for bettering that performance, or are you feeling you're already there?
No, actually, we had a good chance. I mean, there were 35 for 5. It's a pretty bad shape. From that position to come up to 155, I think it's pretty good. I mean, they played really well.
And considering you're such a great star here, how do you manage your time between acting and cricket?
I think the whole 1 month of CCL, I think it's a good break for everybody. And moreover, you get to meet all the stars from different languages, and they all move as very good friends. And it's a nice union of actors, I would say. I mean, it's fantastic.
So there's a lot of camaraderie in the team, but there's no yelling?
No, absolutely not. I mean, when you play the game, I think you have that competition.
The adrenaline.
But off the field, I think they all behave like, I mean, very good actors and very, very, very normal people. I mean, they don't carry it anything beyond the playing field. So
There's definitely no acting on field today, is what's happening, isn't it?
yeah.
What would you say is the biggest strength for your team today?
I think we have good bowling lineup as well as good batting lineup. I think as a whole team, we work really well. So I think that's the biggest strength of our team.
Arya. Look at that. People going crazy for the team, for Arya here. Chennai Rhinos doing superbly here. So, what are your expectations from the overall game?
If we win this game, we are through to the semi-finals. So that's a good thing. So we'll have to focus on semi-finals and finals after this.
It's also true that you're coming in from a victory. So, you think we're going to have another one today?
Yeah, I think we will win today. I think it should be easy tonight.
And with whatever said and done, would you still say that your competitors do have a powerful hand still?
Yeah. See, I think all other teams like Telugu Warriors, Kannada, and even Mumbai, they're all playing really well. I think the semi-finals and finals will be a very tough game. Hoping to win. Let's see.
Hoping to win, he says. I think he already knows the answer, but just a very modest man here. For now, back to the commentators.
शुक्रिया सुप्रीत, बहुत अच्छा एक इंटरव्यू था और उसके साथ साथ बहुत अच्छे बोले भी आर्या, ये कहते हुए कि वी आर ऑल नॉर्मल पीपल, बट दिस इज एन abnormal परफॉर्मेंस बिकॉज लुक एट दैट कंपैरिजन अतुल, 66 for 5 इन कंपैरिजन 130 for 1. इस वक्त वीर मराठी के इनिंग्स में थोड़ी सी गतिशीलता मिली थी, लेकिन चेन्नई राइनोज बिल्कुल शुरुआत से ही गतिशील तरीके से खेल रहे हैं और यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट कमेंटेटर्स कर्स
नहीं चाहते हैं, मुझे लगता है कि और जल्दी ख़त्म कर दें, क्योंकि अगर कहीं बात आए रन रेट पे या एवरेजेस पे तो कहीं टीम कम ना पाई जाए, और ये टीम के लिए खेलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. बिग ब्रदर फाउंडेशन के लिए एक रन आ रहा है और अच्छे खासे 3 लाख रुपए इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे इस मैच के अंत तक. और अगला मैच अभी है और ऐसी पिचेस पे तो हाई स्कोरिंग मैचेस हैं, तो बहुत बढ़िया रन बनेंगे. जितने रन बने सबके लिए अच्छा है और मैच क्लोज हो. मुझे लगता है कि एक तरफा जब मैच हो जाता है ऐसा, थोड़े से हौसले पस्त हो जाते हैं. और क्रिकेट में थोड़ी सी अगर कंपटीशन रहे हर गेम में तो सभी के लिए मज़ा है, खिलाड़ियों के लिए भी, दर्शकों के लिए भी और हम कमेंटेटर्स के लिए भी.
बेशक, और वीर मराठी खासकर पिछले मैच में बिल्कुल आखिरी गेंद पे एक छक्का कंसीड करने के वजह से हारे थे, तो उसके बाद आज का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत ही निराशाजनक रहा है. डॉट बॉल टू एंड 130 for 1.